What is Robbie? It's a restaurant. Are we also going to have lunch? Let's check it out. Look, there is an antique store here and collectibles. Let's check everything out.
Yeah.
So cool. Oh wow, there is a candle, guys.
It's the real key. Let's go see. Hold on. I'm the real boss.
Wow.
I'll pretend. No,
Ah, it's a real boat.
yeah, it's real. Except they put wood chips inside. No, it's plastic. Look, guys, feel this. It's solid. Look.
Wow, look at this store. Do you like this place? Let's go fishing. Look, all this money.
Look at all this
One bucket.
Whoa,
Tarpon.
look how big that is. How do you say big in Italian?
Grande. Oh no, look. The tarpons. The tarpons are next to there.
Where is your bucket? Here is your bucket, guys.
One, there's $6 a bucket, $4 a bucket.
Okay, let's see.
Drop it.
Now don't drop it. That's not the whole
That you tarpons like.
I don't know.
They're not cool.
Don't feed the pelican, they said.
Whoa.
Well, we're not going to buy too many more buckets if you're dropping them.
They don't have any teeth, right, Daddy?
Yes, they have teeth. Whoa.
Yeah, they're not too interested.
Daddy, let's get the.
Hold it. Hold it. Let him smell it. What is it?
Well,
Whoa! They got it. Did it hurt you? Okay.
very scared.
Yeah.
That was great.
How do you say fish in Italian?
Fish.
Okay, let's go.
That's the fish.
Whoa. You almost got your hand. How do you say hand in Italian? Let's go check out our boat for snorkeling, guys. Let's go check out our snorkeling boat.
Yeah, let's do it.
It's this one. Look. We're gonna get on this boat now, right?
Yeah, it's a snorkeling boat. Hi guys, we're finally here.
Where are we at the coral reef?
Yeah.
It's gonna be super cool. Are you ready, Jacob?
Will this burn your eyes when you put it on?
No, that's very, very harmless water.
No, it's not gonna do anything. Let's go.
I saw so many fishes.
How do you say mouse?
Mascara.
How do you say flipper? like swimming in the middle of the ocean?
I saw a manatee.
You saw a manatee right here? Wow! What did you see? Tell us.
We saw a giant blue fish that didn't know like